Hello you gorgeous people. Today I'm going to share an amazing DIY that took me hardly 5 minutes to make. It is really inexpensive and it is truly a one and done product. My hair doesn't look shiny here because of the lighting, but it was really shiny and moisturized. The first ingredient is our favorite aloe vera gel. Start by adding 6 to 7 tablespoons of aloe vera gel to a mixing bowl. Add less than half teaspoon sea salt to it. You will notice that aloe vera gel starts thinning out as soon as the sea salt starts getting dissolved. This is exactly what we want to make sure that it works in a spray bottle. Aloe vera promotes shine and moisture in hair. It also helps in hair growth and is a superfood for hair. Sea salt helps absorb excess oils and sebum. It also reduces scalp acne and dandruff. It not only helps with growth of new and healthy hair, it also enhances natural curls and waves while combating frizz. We will use a very little amount since it can also be drying for hair. Next, add 3 to 4 drops of Clove Essential Oil, also 5 to 7 drops of Rosemary Essential Oil. To make this extra moisturizing, use half teaspoon of any light oil of your preference. Add half a cup of water and give it a good stir. If you want to add any leave-in, this is the correct time to add it. Now just transfer it to a spray bottle and let it work its magic on your hair. As you can see, my hair here is totally not styled. I had washed my hair the previous night and I had not applied any stylers to my hair. Now I'm going to spray this goodness all over my hair length. I will avoid the roots just a little bit. As you can see, I'm going to get my hair really wet because I am looking for definition. Wet hair promote good clumping and clumping is what I really want. Can you see how smoothly my fingers go through my hair? This spray is really moisturizing and refreshing at the same time. Now I'm just going to go ahead and scrunch a little bit to promote curl formation. The reason why I chose Clove Essential Oil is it stimulates hair growth, eliminates dandruff and reduces hair fall. It also fights any infections while enriching scalp health. Rosemary Essential Oil is my favorite. It helps with hair growth and also makes hair softer and shinier. Now that I have covered all my hair with this spray, I'm also going to pay extra attention to the back of my head as always. The next step is optional. I go ahead with my detangling and styling brush to avoid any tangles and also to promote clumping. I give it a final scrunch and then I don't touch my hair until it completely dries. This is how it looks when it's about 60% dry. And no, I don't recommend touching your hair while it dries. Look at the volume. I haven't even fluffed it yet. This is my hair 100% dry. The roots are also dry. And now comes my favorite fluff time. I will start with praying hands method and gently move all over my hair. Now I will move my fingers towards the root and fluff it just like that. As you can see, my hair is shiny and it's super soft, and look at the volume. I am really in love with this. I don't usually get this volume with any styling method. Now I will go ahead and part my hair the way I want to. If you find any tangles, be gentle and you will easily be able to untangle any knots. Now I will just part my hair and fluff again. The shine, the definition, the volume, everything is on fleek. To lock in the moisture, I added a small amount of leave-in and glazed it all over my hair in praying hands motion. Do try this spray at home and let me know how you like it in the comment section. Ask me if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.